Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Simple home remedies to remove facial hair. Although the problem of facial hair is rarely serious, it can cause embarrassment to some women. Therefore, we have come up with video to help women come out of this problem through the use of easy to do home remedies without having to spend much. Causes of thick facial hair in women. All women have facial hair which is very fine and therefore not noticeable. However, there are a few who may have thick facial hair. The fuzz of hair on a woman's face can be due to a number of reasons. Let us discuss them in detail. Hormonal problems are one of the main causes of facial hair in women. If hormones are not the ones for the fuzz on your face, blame it on your genes. Some underlying health issues like polycystic ovarian disorder can also cause this problem. Cushing syndrome can also cause hirsutism. Viralization, a condition in which a female develops secondary male sexual characteristics, causes thick facial hair in women. Women suffering from congenital adrenal hyperplasia produce less of androgen and cortisol hormones, causing hirsutism. Home remedies to remove unwanted hair on face. Facial hair in women can be quite a nuisance. It can make even the prettiest face look odd. Therefore, removing them is the only solution. However, getting it removed professionally can pinch your pockets. Therefore, use the following home remedies to get rid of the unwanted fuzz from your face. First, lemon juice and sugar. This is an ancient beauty technique to remove unwanted hair. For this, you will need sugar and lemon juice. Mix sugar, lemon juice and a very little water. Stir it well to dissolve the sugar until the sugar becomes a sticky granular paste. Apply this every alternate day. When the pack is applied, it sticks to the hair and when removed, the hair too comes off. The lemon juice bleaches the rest of the hair. It is suitable for all type of skin types. Precaution. People with dry skin should not keep the pack in the face for more than 15 to 20 minutes. Second, banana and oatmeal. The ingredients are powdered oatmeal and ripe banana. Mash a banana, blend it with the powdered oatmeal. Apply the paste and massage it in a circular motion against the direction of hair growth. Apply it once a week. The oatmeal helps in removing the hair along with dead skin and the banana moisturizes the skin. It is suitable for all type of skin types. Precaution. After scrubbing the paste on your face, make sure you wash it off with cold water or apply ice over the skin. Third, lemon and honey. The ingredients are sugar, lemon juice, honey, maida, cotton cloth strips. Mix the lemon juice, sugar and honey together to make a smooth paste. Add water as required. Heat the mixture in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, sprinkle a little of maida on the hairy area and apply the paste towards the direction of hair growth. Then put a cloth strip on top of it. Press it and pull it out against the direction of hair growth. You may use it 2 to 3 times a week. The paste is sticky and is effective in pulling out the extra hair. This is suitable for all type of skin types but especially for dry skin. Precaution. Check the temperature of the mix before you apply it on your skin. Fourth, oatmeal, honey and lemon juice. Ingredients are oatmeal, coarsely ground, honey, lemon juice. Blend all the ingredients together into a paste. Add water if required. Apply the pack and massage it in a circular motion against the direction of hair growth. Wash it off with cold water. You can apply the pack once in 2 days. The coarseness of the oats rubs against the skin and removes hair. Honey moisturizes the skin and lemon juice act as a bleaching agent. This is suitable for all type of skin types. Precaution. Lemon juice, when used in excess, can cause the skin to dry up and become flaky, so use it wisely. Fifth, turmeric and milk. The ingredients are rice flour, turmeric powder, and milk. Mix all the ingredients together. If required, add water. Apply the mask over the area of unwanted hair and let it dry. Wash it off with warm water. You can apply this every day. The coarseness of the rice flour rubs against the skin and removes hair. The milk moisturizes it and the turmeric acts as an antiseptic. This is good for dry and normal skin types. Sixth, potato, lentil, and lemon juice. Ingredients are potato, lentils, lemon juice, and honey. Grate the potato and extract the juice. Grind the soaked lentils into a fine paste. Add the lemon juice, honey, and potato juice to the lentil paste. Apply the pack. Once dry, massage it in a circular motion to remove it. Use this 1 to 2 times a week. Potato juice, honey, and lemon juice acts as bleaching agents and lighten the skin and hair color, and the lentils help in pulling out the extra hair. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: some people may be allergic to potatoes, and people with sensitive skin would avoid using lemon juice as it may cause skin irritation. 7th, white of egg. Ingredients are egg white, cornstarch, and sugar. Beat all of the ingredients together. There should be no lumps of the cornstarch. Apply the pack and let it dry. Then peel off the mask and wash your face with cold water. Repeat the mask twice a week. The egg white, cornstarch, and sugar become sticky and stick to the hair. When the mask is peeled off, the hair also comes out. It is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin. Precaution: not to be used on acne prone skin. 8th, rose water and alum. Ingredients are alum, rose water, and olive oil. Add rose water to the alum powder to make a solution. Apply the mixture on the hairy area with the help of a cotton ball. Let it dry and apply again. Keep on drying and applying the pack for 5 to 6 times in one sitting. Then wash it off and massage the face with olive oil. Repeat this every alternate day or at least once a week. It helps in curbing hair growth and also cools down the skin. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: alum may cause a bit of skin irritation. 9th, papaya and turmeric. Ingredients are raw papaya, turmeric powder. Peel the papaya and make a paste of it, then mix it with a little turmeric powder. Apply the mask on the unwanted hair area and massage it in a circular motion for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it off. It should be applied 2 to 3 times a week. The papain enzyme in the papaya makes the hair follicles open up. As a result, the hair falls off. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: use very little turmeric powder. 10th, aloe vera and papaya. The ingredients are aloe vera pulp, raw papaya paste, gram flour, mustard oil, olive oil. Mix aloe vera pulp, papaya paste, gram flour, and mustard oil together to make a thick paste. Apply the paste and let it dry. Then, with a cotton cloth, rub the dried up mask in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Wash it off and massage the skin with a few drops of olive oil. Use it 3 to 4 times a week for at least 3 months. The papain enzyme helps in hair removal and aloe vera helps in moisturizing the skin. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: do not use soap after using the mask. Mustard oil may cause skin irritation in some people. 11th, turmeric and nettle. Ingredients: nettle leaves and turmeric powder. Wash and grind the nettle leaves to a paste. Add turmeric to it. Apply the paste over the hairy area and allow it to stay it for a few hours. Then wash it off. Apply this pack every day for 5 to 6 weeks. The juice of the nettle leaves penetrates the hair follicles and helps in hair removal. The turmeric acts as an antiseptic. Do a patch test before applying this pack. Precaution: do not use bare hands while handling nettle leaves. It may also cause skin irritation. 12th. Lavender and tea tree oil. Ingredients are tea tree oil and lavender oil. Mix both the oils in a bowl. Apply the oil mix with a cotton ball over the hairy area. Both the oils have anti-androgenic properties which reduce hair growth. For 3 months, apply this mix a couple of times every day. Suitable for dry, normal, and combination skin type. Precaution: avoid if you have acne prone skin. Third, kusuma oil and thanaka powder. Ingredients are thanuka powder and kusuma oil. Make a smooth paste by mixing both the ingredients. Remove the excess hair through waxing or threading. Then, after washing the area, apply the mix over it and massage against hair growth. Allow it to stay overnight. Apply it once a week. The combination of thanuka and kusuma oil helps in thinning the hair and removing it. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: do a patch test before applying it. Fourth, basil and onion. Basil leaves and onion. Make a paste of both the ingredients. Apply the paste over the hairy area, let it dry and wash it off. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a week for few months. Although onion helps in hair growth, when used with basil it reduces hair growth. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: both ingredients may cause skin irritation. 15th. Fenugreek and green gram. The ingredients are fenugreek seeds and green gram. Make a smooth paste of both the ingredients using water as required. Apply the paste and when dry, gently rub it, then wash it off with chilled water. Thrice a week is good enough for the usage. The paste sticks to the hair and while rubbing the skin with it, the hair comes out. All skin types are suitable except sensitive skin. Precaution: fenugreek may cause allergic reactions. 16. Barley and milk. The ingredients are barley, milk, and lemon juice. Blend all the ingredients together to make a fine paste. Apply the paste and rub it off when dry. Use it 3 to 4 times a week. The paste sticks to the hair and when rubbed, the hair comes off. It is suitable for all skin type except sensitive skin. Precaution: barley flour may cause asthma. 17. Wheat bran and milk. The ingredients are wheat bran and milk. Mix all of the ingredients together to make a paste. Massage the mix till it dries up and then wash it off. You may use this every day or once in 3 to 4 days. The paste sticks to the hair and comes off when rubbed. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: no side effects. 18th. Gelatin and milk. The ingredients are gelatin powder, milk, and lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together, put it in a microwave for 15 to 20 minutes to heat it. Apply the mask on a clean face. Once dry, peel it off. Use whenever you feel the need to. Since it is extremely sticky, it pulls off the hair along with blackheads and dead cells. It is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin. Precaution: make sure to cool the pack after taking it out from the microwave. 19th. Papaya, mustard oil, aloe vera, besan, and haldi. Ingredients: ripe papaya, mustard oil, aloe vera pulp, besan, and haldi. Mash the ripe papaya and squeeze out the aloe vera pulp. Mix all the ingredients together. Apply the pack and let it dry. Then rub the fuzzy area against hair growth with a dry cloth. Wash your face with cold water and pat dry. Use it thrice a week initially. After you start getting results, apply the pack once every 7 to 10 days. The papain enzyme exfoliates dead skin and opens up hair follicles, making it easy for hair removal. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: apply some ice or cold water on the area from where hair has been removed. People with sensitive skin should avoid mustard oil since it has caused skin irritation. 12th. Chickpea flour and haldi. Ingredients are chickpea flour and fresh haldi root. Grind the haldi to a paste. Add chickpea flour, haldi, and water to make a smooth paste. Apply the pack and let it get semi dry. Massage your face in a circular motion until it dries up. Wipe it off with a wet towel. Initially, apply this pack once every alternate day. Once there is a reduction in hair growth, you may use it once every 7 to 10 days. Chickpea works wonders in removing hair, and haldi does not allow the hair to grow back. It is suitable for oily skin type. Precaution not to be used on acne or sensitive skin. 21. Apricot and honey. The ingredients are apricot powder and honey. Mix all the ingredients together to make a smooth paste. Massage the mixture after it has dried up in circular motions. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Apply this thrice a week. The paste sticks to the hair and gets removed when rubbed. It is suitable for all skin types except oily skin. Precaution: there may be skin breakout if applied by oily skin people. 22. Sugar and molasses. Ingredients are sugar, molasses, and lemon juice. Put molasses and sugar for 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave. Add lemon juice to the mix. Apply the warm mix to the hairy area and put a strip of cotton cloth on top. Then yank it out within the opposite direction of hair growth. Use it whenever required. Being sticky, it works like wax to strip off the hair. It is suitable for all skin types except sensitive skin. If the mixture is too hot, it may burn your skin, so be careful with that. 23. Garlic. The ingredients are only garlic. Crush some garlic to a semi-fine paste. Crush garlic and rub it. Wash it after half an hour. Use it once a day. While there is no scientific backing to this, many women have found this to effectively remove hair. It is not suitable for sensitive skin. Precaution: a patch test should be done to rule out allergic reactions. 24th. Spearmint tea. Ingredients are spearmint leaves and water. Add the spearmint leaves to water over low heat and place a lid. Switch off the stove and strain the tea. Try this tea and say bye bye to facial hair. You may drink a cup twice a day. It lowers the production of the male hormone androgen, which causes excess facial hair in women. It is suitable for all skin types. Precaution: consult a doctor before trying this. 25th. Yogurt, gram flour, and turmeric. The ingredients are yogurt, gram flour, and turmeric. Mix it all together to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste. Once it becomes semi-dry, massage the area in opposite direction to hair growth. Then rinse off with water. It can be used every day. The pack, being sticky, sticks to the hair. When rubbed against hair growth, the hair comes out. It is suitable for all skin types. It has no side effects. 26th. Orange peel and oatmeal. The ingredients are orange peel powder and oatmeal powder. Mix it all together with a little water to make a paste. Apply the paste, and once it is semi-dry, massage it in circular motions. Wash it off. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times a week. Orange peel is a natural bleach. Oats exfoliate the skin and remove excess hair. It is great on all skin types. Precaution: orange peel may cause some skin irritation. 27th. Black cohosh. It is a flowering plant of the buttercup family. The ingredients are the dried root of the black cohosh and honey. Let the root boil in water for half an hour over a low flame. When the water becomes 1/3, switch off the stove, strain it, and add honey to it. Drink a cup 3 times a day. It has anti-androgen properties which cure hirsutism. This is taken as a tea. This should not be taken by people suffering from liver disease, blood clotting disorders, or anyone on hormonal medication. It is always to consult your doctor before adding this to your diet. Essential tips and precautions to consider while using the remedies. There are quite a number of natural Ayurvedic home remedies for removing facial hair. However, it is important that we follow some precautions while using them. First, it is important to be patient when you try home remedies to remove facial hair permanently. Second, be careful while using a home remedy for removing facial hair within 1 day, like sugar and molasses pack, because the method requires heating, which may burn your skin if applied too hot. Third, home remedies for facial hair removal for sensitive skin should not comprise of allergic ingredients like turmeric, orange peel, lemon juice, etc. Fourth, taking a warm bath before applying the packs will help in opening up the pores. Fifth, it is important to close the pores by rubbing ice or washing the area with cold water after the remedy. Try out any of the above remedies and get freedom from excess facial hair. Also, do remember all the precautions and considerations while using the remedies. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.